Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be trying out a new foundation that just came out. It is a $12 foundation that is super insane, and so far the reviews on it have been amazing. So this $12 foundation is the new Colourpop No Filter Foundation. It is 0.85 fluid ounces, which is pretty standard for a foundation, and it comes with a lock top, which is really nice for travel and for somebody like me that is clumsy. So according to their website, it says that this is a matte finish and it is buildable. You can shear it out or build it up however you want. And it was developed with innovative, soft blurring pigments to deliver true color while looking and feeling natural. And it also says it is a full coverage foundation, so I am super excited about that because I burned myself not once, but twice with a InStyler. It's sort of like a straightener slash curling iron where the barrel rolls. It sort of has like a protection arm when you're getting used to it, but I was like, I don't need that. And clearly I did because I burned myself twice. So we will see how this covers my burns. Next up, I'm also going to try out their No Filter setting powder. I'm going to use it to set my concealer and the foundation and see what kind of finish it gives and if it dries out my face or anything like that. This says that it is a long-wearing soft focus matte finish without feeling heavy or looking cakey. And it is cruelty-free and vegan, which is really awesome. Ooh, and also it was photo tested to never have flashback. So that's something that's really awesome when you're trying to take your selfies. All right, so let's just dive in. I chose the shade Fair 15. You have to buy these online, and it's kind of scary that I'm not gonna pick the right shade. I guess I could have bought multiple, but I just put my faith in my husband, actually, who told me which one to get. He was looking at the swatches, looking at my face, and he said this would be a good match for me, so that's what I'm gonna try out. So I'm just gonna start with 3 pumps, dot it on my face, like I normally do. This is definitely a watery consistency, but I'm not mad at it. Super sorry, I forgot. I did prime my face and do my brows, and that is it. All right, so taking my damp beauty blender, I am just gonna blend this out. Alright, my husband did a decent job picking out the color. Needless to say, this first coat looks pretty good. It did a pretty good job covering my forehead burn, but as always, I always love more coverage, so I'm gonna do another layer and see if I can get this to be covered more. Okay, that is 2 layers and it looks really nice. You almost can't see my burn marks, so it did a pretty good job covering. I'm sure if I did an additional coat, it probably would get rid of it altogether. You know what? Screw it. Let's just dab just right on that and see if we can get it to be covered just a little bit more. Yeah, I'm not sure if that 3rd coat made a difference. Maybe a little bit, but I'll take it. So it definitely feels wet. It's probably still drying down. I need to probably give it a few minutes. But while it's drying down, I am going to put on some concealer and try their No Filter setting powder. So I am going to use their No Filter concealer, and this is in the shade Fair 08. It is a $6 concealer, which is awesome. Oh, and by the way, I totally didn't mention, the setting powder is $9. Okay, now I'm going to dip in and set. And then with the little bit I have left in the cap, I'm going to use a Morphe precision pointed powder brush and just use it to lightly set the rest of my face. Alright, that is it. The setting powder really did the trick. The setting powder did a really good job with my under eyes. There's no cakiness. I normally can see like immediately because my skin is so ridiculously dry. It doesn't look dry, it doesn't look cakey, it's not really going into my lines. And it set my foundation really nice. It doesn't feel sticky or anything like that. Nothing coming off on my hands. I definitely recommend this and the setting powder to go along with it. You get them both for $21, which is a pretty good deal for a really high-end looking foundation and setting powder. Alright, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.